everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel today, Baby Me. So now my video today is unboxing from Daddy Paul subscriber.
And you're a
Yay!
subscriber too.
Yeah, thank you so much for what's the name, Daddy Paul?
Global Greg.
Yeah, thank you so much for the gift.
So what we're going to do is we're going to unpack this for you. Greg was kind enough to listen to some of my cravings, I think, before I went on my diet and decided to send us a little gift box. And that's so appreciated. But the best thing that he sent us was this. And this was right on top. And this took a lot of time. This took a lot of energy. This took a lot of thoughtfulness. So you want to show them what we got there, baby?
Yeah, charan!
Look at there.
I'm very surprised that.
That's a screenshot that Greg
Yeah.
took of May and I on some video we were doing.
Yeah.
And then he was kind enough to frame it for us. So now we have, actually that's the first framed picture we have of ourselves.
Oh, with chicken, look.
You know that? And it's got the chicken. It's
Yeah.
got Gaylord's even in there.
Yeah.
And he wrote us a letter and he gave us some gifts. But let's go through the gifts.
Yeah.
And we'll show you, and then I'll read the letter to you guys.
Okay.
Because it's really sweet. So, what do we got here, May? This is rice aronin. Believe it or not, we can't find that out here. And so, God bless Greg.
Yeah.
I get to cook all this for baby May.
Thank you so much.
It's not on my diet.
Yeah.
But she's going to love it. And it's going to give her a little taste of America.
Yeah, I'm not experienced for it that.
Exactly.
That's
So
my
I
first
think
time.
that it's perfect. We got more pasta. May loves pasta.
Yeah, I love
So
pasta.
this is going to her.
Yeah.
And, whoops, I almost
Oops.
dropped it. What else we got here? This is something you can't find out here. Hamburger helper.
Wow.
May doesn't even know what this is.
Yeah.
So we'll buy some ground beef. And you know what? I might have to have a taste of this. Because
Yeah.
That's pretty good stuff. This is all the stuff that I used to live on as a bachelor back in the States. And so this really brings back a lot of memories. So once again, we've got more pasta.
Wow.
And this is Annie's. I've never heard of this. Made with organic pasta, shells, and white cheddar. That sounds really good.
Yeah.
I might have to try that. And
Nor.
once again, we've got more pasta sides
Wow.
right there. So we're going to be pasted up. You're going to be all carved up and ready to go. I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
And then May's favorite, because we have had this before, and May absolutely loves this.
Yeah.
But I gobbled it all up last time because Bud Brown got a Balak Buy-in box.
Yeah.
And he got some of this, and he gave us a box, and I made it. You
Yeah.
loved it.
I love it.
And I just want you to know I've made about 25,000 servings of this in my lifetime because I absolutely adore it. It's the simple things in life that make me happy. Good old mac and cheese.
Macaroni
baby.
cheese.
And I got the secret
Yeah.
recipe where I add extra butter and special kind of milk. So May's going to be in hog heaven. Plus she eats 14 times a day.
Yeah.
So we'll just, this will all be gone in like 48 hours. She'll wolf it down. But what I wanted to do also was to read the letter that Greg wrote us. Took the time to take a screenshot, make a beautiful little frame for
Yeah.
us.
That's
which
my first time with the default.
May's just
Picture
over the
frame.
moon with it. Of course, so am I.
Yeah.
And so it's just such a sweet,
Yeah.
What's nice is that all of this stuff is fairly inexpensive, but it means so much.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And this really means a lot.
Yeah, I'm very
Because
surprised that.
it just took time and thoughtfulness.
Yeah.
And I think that's, people go, how do you like doing YouTube and what's the best thing? Or once you got monetized and the money and this and that and the other. And I can look you in the blues and tell you that for myself, I won't speak for May, but I think the biggest benefit of being on YouTube are the connections that we make, long distance and recently in person. So today, May and I are going to go to lunch with
Yeah.
2 subscribers that are
Yeah.
in town that stopped by and invited us. We're going to go to Latino and share some food and hopefully some stories and
Yeah.
sit around and lie to one another for a couple hours. But here's the letter from Greg, okay? It says, hello, Paul and May. Greetings from Delaware. I hope you are both doing well. I just wanted to send a simple token of my appreciation for your videos. When COVID lockdowns first started here, I was living by myself in a relatively new city. These months of near total isolation were very difficult for me and hard on my mental health. So it was truly a blessing to be able to turn on YouTube and see your friendly face, hear your tales, and your positive outlook. Thank you so much. While watching one of your videos recently, I hit pause at a point that looked like a great candid photo, hence the enclosed print for you. Also, during a recent live stream, I asked if there were any food products you can't get in the Philippines that you wish you could. I only remember you saying Kraft macaroni and cheese, which is, like I said, I've made about 15 or 20,000 of those. So I've included a few boxes along with some similar products. I hope you will enjoy. Thanks again for what you do. Hopefully I'll get over there someday and have a chat and a coffee with you. Until then, all my best to you, May, and your families and friends. Greg, aka Global Greg, Gaylord's #1 subscriber. and Global Greg holds the distinction of being my first subscriber to my Gaylord secret channel, which only has 2 videos. Because I've kind of dropped the ball on that. We had issues. We were going to do I was going to do a totally different format, if you will, on the Gaylord Secret channel. I wanted to talk about anything and everything but the Philippines.
Yeah.
And I wanted to do that from my studio. The studio, I've been really procrastinating on doing that. And then we had some issues with shipping,
Yeah.
of getting the stuff that we needed to put up on it. And if I'm going to do it, I want to do it right. So probably when I get back from the States, I'm leaving in less than a week now. And I'll be gone for 19 days. And then I'll be coming back. And I too will be bringing back gifts from Parts Unknown for you know who over here. I'm going to buy her a suitcase and I'm going to go shopping and get her all kinds of stuff. But anyway, we really wanted to extend a heartfelt thank you to Greg and to all of you guys
Yeah, thank
that
you so
watch
much.
our channel and leave the comments and support us. And your emotional and your mental and your gracious words are always super appreciated. And we just love the connections that we've made with you. Baby
Yeah.
May, what do you think? Anything else?
I would thank you so much, Sir Greg, for the gift. I'm very surprised. The first in the picture frame,
Yeah.
and then the food, the
Yeah.
pasta. I really appreciate that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You know, you rock, man, and all you guys rock. But you know, it's the letter and it's the picture
Yeah.
that really touched us.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
And so we just want to show our appreciation for you, Greg, and of course for all the others that have you know interacted with us, if you will, on one level or another.
Yeah.
So again, we just want to thank you for watching
Yeah.
Little May's channel, and we will see you in the next video, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you so much, Sir Greg. Bye bye.
Bye, guys.